Hi, Assalamualaikum guys. Welcome to my vlog. I am bringing you guys with me, with my mom, with my friend, with my cousin to hike Penang Hill. So I've never been there before. I am so fat. I have no stamina. I don't know how challenging it's gonna be. But yeah, I'm just gonna record everything in case if I vomit, if I passed out, or whatever. So stay tuned and hopefully you guys enjoy this video.
Buat dua pusingan.
Gila, dia buat
Cycling. Saya punya ni ada Escort Hidayah dengan motor.
Shuhada. Kami baru sampai di tapak kaki Penang. Lepas tu tapak Sulaiman depan. Kehilangan. Aku tak suka record tau Jana. Tak langsung. We have arrived now at the base of Penang Hill. We're starting our hike. Oh wow. Heritage Trail. Oh, it's only 3 person, but there's 4 of us. Sinilah. Memang tak sampai lagi lah, baru 5 minit je. So I'm gonna record the rest of the hiking. We're not going there. It's that side. Alamak. Apa tu?
Terlekat.
Ha? Me and Shuhada. Legitimately game over. Game over. And it has just been 10 minutes. Exactly. We need to go around. This is the Penang Hill Heritage Trail since 1980. And this is Bukit Bendera.
And 2 old folks.
And I thought that Bukit Bendera and Penang Hill
Are different.
are different, exactly.
I thought
I think this is the official starting point, right? Satu dah pancit dah. Aku bakal. Okay, siapa? Okay. You want some drink? Okay, breathe in. Stand straight. Perlahan-perlahan masuk dah.
You jangan cepat-cepat you semua energi tak.
motivation.
Motivation.
Shuhada is about to pass out, but I'm still motivating her that she can do this.
Cannot do this.
You can.
Cannot.
You can. My mom dah dekat hujung sana. I have to teman her. One step at a time. We can do this for sure. Yes.
Then you need to go down with me, bro.
I'm not.
Yes.
We have no choice.
Have.
No, I'm not coming down.
I'm gonna pull you down.
You have to go up.
You owe me a lot for this.
My mom owe you a lot, okay? Not me. She's gone because she went up very, very quickly. So yeah, I'm very blessed because it's a very beautiful day. I'm enjoying my hike.
Kalau saya jadi trainer lah kan.
Sure, that's very slow. Oh my god.
Come on.
Lagi kita tunggu dia.
Macam dia sihat kalau macam ni.
Lagi dia buat lembik. So we're heading to the midpoint before reaching to Penang Hill summit. Shuhada is back there with my mother. She's very slow and very tired. So I'm just gonna head up and reach to the midpoint and wait for them. Bad news. Shuhada dah muntah. She can't continue the journey. They're going down and I have no choice but to follow them also because we're in a team, right? So I guess I can't show you guys the summit. Shuhada dah turun dengan auntie, my mom. So it's just me that we're going home. So sorry that I couldn't like share with you guys how the summit of Penang Hill looks like. Sorry. So I'm in the convenience store to buy a bottle of mineral water. Oh, guys ni. Berapa? RM2. Okay. Okay guys, I'm gonna end my vlog. I'm gonna do until I'm satisfied, okay? Alright? So, hiking, sekerat jalan, turun. So, Mina Blonde, oh pandai tutup muka. Okay, so I'm gonna meet you guys on my next vlog.
Bye. Okay. Are you okay?
Oh my god,